Windsurf's ability to help perform debugging and testing tasks stands apart due to the explicit focus the Windsurf team has put on ensuring that such tasks have the right context from the existing codebase and specific tuning that has been done to ensure that the relevant tool calls make debugging a simpler process. I'm going to go ahead and ask Cascade to run all of the tests in this repository. Cascade will be able to use the existing context of the codebase, including looking at the package.json, to actually understand how the tests need to be run, and then suggest the correct command. After actually running the test, we can see that there is a failing test for calculate center of mass. Cascade is able to use the terminal output as context and then suggest where the change needs to be made. In this case, the implementation of utils.js. After debugging and suggesting a fix, we can ask Cascade to make the relevant edit, providing us with a better tested set of code with minimal effort. We can also ask Cascade to analyze and increase the overall code coverage of the application. Cascade will first generate the appropriate terminal command, and after executing this, it builds an understanding of what are the most critical areas to develop more testing. It will go through multiple analysis steps and then refactor the test files to add more coverage for the test overall. Once it executes these tests, we are able to see a higher degree of coverage, meaning that more statements and branches within the code can be deemed stable when going through the build process and reducing issues around software reliability. The final use case we will do is actually ask Cascade to generate a feature, in this case for a decay feature within the game, using test-driven development. This is an important paradigm for making a codebase more maintainable and emphasizing testing from the get-go. As we can see, Cascade will be able to first suggest the relevant test cases after analyzing the necessary context across the codebase. Then it will go ahead and develop the feature itself, closing the loop on this requirement and then verifying that the modality fits into the testing parameters. After confirming that the test works as expected, we are able to have a well-developed, stable feature.